Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best welding helmet with respirator. Number 1. YESWELDER Darkening. Ideal for TIG, MIG, MMA, and grinding applications, this high-performance welding helmet offers exceptional protection and comfort for both professionals and DIY users. Featuring a generous 3.64 inches by 1.67 inches viewing area, it ensures a clear and expansive field of vision. Equipped with 2 premium sensors, it automatically switches from light to dark in an ultra-fast 1/30,000 second response time, providing consistent eye protection against sudden arc flashes. With a top-tier optical clarity rating of 1/1/1/1, users benefit from better clarity and a true color view, making it easier to distinguish fine details during intricate welding tasks. The helmet is compatible with cheater lenses or magnifying lenses, making it a practical choice for users who require enhanced visual assistance. Designed with long work sessions in mind, it includes a replaceable CR2450 battery that extends the operational life and reduces downtime. The pivot-style headgear ensures superior comfort and a secure fit, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Whether you're welding in a workshop, garage, or job site, this helmet combines reliability, visual performance, and comfort, making it an essential tool for any welder seeking precision and protection. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Technology. Designed for precision and clarity, this advanced welding helmet delivers an unparalleled viewing experience with industry-leading 4C lens technology. It offers perfect 1/1/1/1 optical clarity, ensuring a distortion-free view of the base material, arc, and weld puddle. This top rating evaluates blurriness, distortion, shade consistency, and angle uniformity, making it a trusted choice for welders who demand the highest visual standards. Whether you're tackling intricate TIG work or heavy-duty MIG welding, the crystal-clear optics significantly enhance visibility and reduce eye strain. The ultra-wide 12.5 square inch auto-darkening lens provides an extra-large viewing area, offering greater situational awareness and improved control over every weld. This expanded field of vision allows operators to work with more precision, especially in tight spaces or complex weld configurations. The clear view of the arc and surroundings not only boosts productivity, but also increases safety during extended work sessions. With a focus on performance and usability, this helmet combines cutting-edge lens technology with practical design, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. It's engineered to deliver consistent results and a more comfortable, confident welding experience every time you strike an arc. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN Viewing. Experience enhanced precision and protection with this innovative welding helmet, designed for professionals who demand a wider, clearer view and long-lasting performance. The 180 degrees full vision screen includes a generous 3.94 inches by 3.66 inches auto-darkening central lens, DN16, and 2 side lenses, DN5, expanding your field of view to 3.94 inches by 7.06 inches. This panoramic visibility increases situational awareness, accuracy, and overall control during complex welding tasks. Equipped with 4 responsive sensors, the helmet switches from light to dark in just 1/25,000 seconds, shielding your eyes instantly from harmful rays. The adjustable DGen range, 5/9/913, and light state DN4 make it ideal for TIG, MIG, arc welding, and grinding applications. Powered by dual solar panels and 2 CR2450 lithium batteries, it offers extended service life without frequent battery replacements. User-friendly features include an upgraded adjustment knob, easily operable even with gloves, and a redesigned interior for a snug ergonomic fit, ideal for long work sessions. With a 12-in-1 smart filter and automatic UV/IR protection, DN16, your eyes stay safe in any environment. Built from eco-friendly PP materials, it delivers superior strength, durability, and temperature resistance for demanding welding jobs. Number 4. YESWELDER Grinding. Built for versatility and performance, this high-quality welding helmet is an excellent choice for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma cutting applications, and also includes a convenient grinding mode. It features a super large 3.93 inches by 3.66 inches viewing area that delivers an expansive field of vision, giving welders greater control and precision during their work. Equipped with 4 premium sensors, the helmet ensures quick and accurate auto-darkening response, enhancing both safety and efficiency. With industry-best 1/1/1/1 optical clarity, users enjoy a true color view with minimal distortion, improved shade consistency, and reduced eye strain, even during long welding sessions. The crystal-clear lens provides a sharp and vivid visual of the arc and work area, helping to deliver cleaner, more accurate welds. The helmet is powered by a replaceable battery, designed for extended life and fewer interruptions. Its lightweight construction and pivot-style headgear offer superior comfort and adjustability, making it ideal for extended use in demanding environments. Whether in a workshop or on a job site, this welding helmet combines advanced optical technology, durable performance, and ergonomic design, making it a reliable companion for both professional and hobbyist welders. Number 5. YESWELDER Powered. Designed for maximum versatility and precision, this advanced welding helmet is ideal for TIG, MIG, MMA, cutting, and grinding applications. With a wide shade range of 3/59/913, it easily adapts to various tasks and environments. Grind mode at DN3, cut mode at DN5-9, and weld mode at DN9-13, providing accurate protection tailored to the job. The large 3.93 inches by 3.66 inches viewing area is enhanced with 4 high-performance arc sensors, ensuring rapid light-to-dark transitions in just 1/30,000 seconds. Featuring exceptional 1/1/1/1 optical clarity, the lens delivers a true color view with zero distortion, allowing for better visual accuracy and reduced eye fatigue during extended welding sessions. A built-in rechargeable fan improves airflow inside the helmet, keeping you cool and comfortable, while the integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions, further improving safety and precision. Please note that the helmet is not designed to auto-darken under direct sunlight, making it purpose-built for welding tasks only. Engineered for both comfort and performance, this helmet offers advanced protection and convenience, making it a reliable choice for welders looking to elevate their workflow with intelligent features and enhanced clarity. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.